To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello and Namaskar, I am Bhagyashree Gupta and very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Rising cases of COVID-19 in the country have given rise to numerous questions and concerns among the people. To address some of them, the Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India has released a visual document titled Home Care Tips for Managing COVID-19. The document stated that people should not panic after testing positive for COVID-19, as it could interfere with how the body fights the infection. It explained that the most infections are mild and can be treated at home. Patients should not take antibiotics and other supplements unless prescribed by the doctor. It added, it's urged people to get tested for COVID-19 if they encounter symptoms such as fever, dry cough, sore throat, breathing difficulty, body ache, loss of smell and taste, headache, fatigue, chills, nausea, diarrhea and vomiting. If results return positive, people should isolate themselves at home, mask up and keep their rooms well ventilated. According to the document, it is important to rest and hydrate while also monitoring body temperature 2 to 4 times a day and blood oxygen levels 3 to 4 times a day. Patients with fever are advised to take paracetamol only. If blood oxygen levels drop below 92%, seek hospital care. Proning, lying down on the stomach, also helps. The document illustrates this in detail. Finally, it urged people to get themselves vaccinated as it could prevent severe disease and hospitalization. So stay informed and spread the word. Drones are expected to deliver COVID-19 vaccines in Telangana. The initiative is part of an experiment by the state government to test if these unmanned flying objects can provide jabs faster than conventional means. Drones can reach inaccessible places at a lower cost and hence can find use in commercial, safety, law and order, disaster management and surveillance operations. Companies need permission to use these unmanned flying objects to deliver goods. Recently, the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Directorate General of Civil Aviation have granted a conditional exemption for drone deployment to the government of Telangana. The permission is valid for 1 year or until further orders. The government of Telangana is not the first to be granted permission. This month, the Indian Council of Medical Research and IIT Kanpur were allowed to test the feasibility of using drones to deliver COVID-19 vaccines. Drones could enable faster delivery of COVID-19 vaccines and better access to healthcare, according to the reports. Aerial supply of vaccines will ensure primary healthcare delivery at the citizen's doorstep, limit human exposure to COVID-congested or COVID-prone areas, provide access to healthcare in remote areas, and improve the medical supply chain, especially with a third vaccine expected to be commissioned and millions of doses to be transported across India. As COVID-19 cases surge in the country, diagnostic laboratories are under immense pressure. The Indian Council of Medical Research has announced new testing guidelines to reduce the load on these facilities. The ICMR said that RT-PCR test must not be repeated in any individual who has tested positive once, either by rapid antigen test or RT-PCR. COVID-19 patients getting discharged from hospitals also don't need a negative test. The directive stated that people traveling to a different state do not need to submit a negative RT-PCR test. According to the new guidelines, patients showing symptoms should avoid non-essential and interstate travel, while asymptomatic patients undertaking essential travel should follow COVID-19 appropriate behavior. The new guidelines come as the overall positivity rate in the country has gone beyond 20%. As a result, the diagnostic facilities are feeling the pinch. As of May 4th, 2021, about 2,506 molecular testing laboratories, including RT-PCR, TrueNat, CBNAT, and other platforms are running in the country. The total daily national testing capacity is close to 15 lakh tests, considering a 3-shift operationalization of the existing laboratory network, the ICMR added. That's all for now in this COVID bulletin. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 bulletin soon. Meanwhile, do not panic, follow COVID protocols and get vaccinated. Take care and stay safe. Namaskar.